back with another video. Back with another video. Hey, what's up? What's going on? Coming at you real quick with a new video. Hey, in the middle of the night, I just woke up. I was just thinking, what does it take to be a consultant? So I'm going to go on the website with you once again, and I want to see what it takes to be a Sisterlock consultant. Okay. I hope y'all can see I am on sisterlocks.com. Okay, and I clicked on the training and classes link, and it says training and classes. Our training program is top notch, whether face-to-face or online classes. Okay, become a consultant. Our 4-day training program and tops in the natural hair care industry. Sisterlocks trains in over 35 locations throughout the year. Okay, I'm going to click that link. Okay. Read this page completely before selecting your 4-day class or beginning a payment plan. You do not need to bring any material with you to this class. Your training fee includes 4 full days of intensive training, plus the Sisterlock business packet includes samples of our products and a listing in our official online training registry. All of the training supplies for the class will be provided, including your mannequin head and holder, along with necessary clips and clamps. Okay. Frequently asked questions about our training program. Do I have to be a cosmetologist or a hairstylist to take the 4-day Sisterlock training program? You do not have to be a cosmetologist or a hairstylist to take the Sisterlock class. Laws for practicing natural hair care vary from state to state. However, check your area. Blah, blah, blah. Do I get my money back if the class is canceled? Your domestic class payment for all cities except New York includes a non-refundable $250 deposit, except if the class is canceled by Sisterlocks. In that case, you'll be fully refunded. Also, you are not able to attend the original class you registered for. Your deposit or any other monies paid towards that class are transferable for 1 year from the date of the original class to any other class. This is a one-time opportunity. Deposits, amounts, and conditions for internal classes may vary. Okay, so if you have to cancel, you can possibly get a refund depending on the situation. I'm guessing that's what it says. Okay, so stimulus packet. Okay, so they offer a stimulus packet. So that's if you can't afford to pay the total amount. It says that you save $250 off of your original, off the regular tuition costs. Okay, how large are the classes? The classes are 10 to 20 students, split up into 2 sections. Do I become a certified consultant at the end of the class? Okay, taking the class does not result in immediate certification. After taking the class, you are a trainee. You can still refer to yourself as a Sisterlock practitioner. To become certified, you are required to submit documentation of 3 qualifying clients, not children or relatives. Once our evaluators have reviewed your work, interviewed your qualified clients, gotten certification on any questions they may have, and helped you on various ways to meet your standards, you become a certified Sisterlock consultant. This process can take up to several months. So it says that once you finish the class, you become a trainee. Then you have to submit documentations of 3 qualifying clients, no relatives or children. And then they evaluate that. And then they interview your qualifying clients. So that is very intensive. I don't know what to say exactly what ways you submit the documentation. So I guess they probably tell you that at the class. I'm guessing that it's pictures. I don't know for sure what the documentation is. And it says, what if I can't pay the full amount of class at one time? Okay. I haven't seen the amount yet of the full class. Okay, here it comes. The amount for the class, it says, with our secure online ordering system, you can choose to pay in full or use our payment plan. Payment plans for U.S. classes, except New York, pay the full $1,495. So it's $1,495, $1,495 to become a consultant. Or you can make a $250 non-refundable deposit to hold your place and 4 equal installments of $311.25 each. All classes must be paid in full 5 days before the class start. Okay, so in order to become a consultant, you have to pay a fee of $14.95. You take the 4-day class, then you become a trainee. Once you become a trainee, you need to submit documentations of 3 qualifying clients, no children, no relatives. The evaluators will review your work. They're going to interview your qualifying clients. So those 3 clients that you did, 3 clients only. And then to help you in various ways to meet your standards. So they want to make sure that that person, maybe they want to make sure that person is certified. They want to see your work, all that. Okay? But if you can't pay the $14.95, you can make a $250 deposit, and then you can make 4 payments of $311.25. Okay, someone asked, another question on here, I guess, it says, since the class is 4 days, are meals included? In a few cases, our international classes may include meals, but as a rule, the classroom offers tea and coffee only. Students are given a 15-minute morning break, 1-hour lunch break, and 15-minute afternoon break. Classes are usually in hotels with eating facilities and near outside restaurants, so it does not offer meals. Okay, new, it says, Sisterlock Online Academy. When enrolling in our classes, you will stimulously enroll in our new online academy. You will see a prompt for this after making a deposit or a full payment for any class. Anyone can also create an academy login profile anytime at trainingsisterlocks.com. Okay, I'm going to check that website next. The academy is a way for us to more efficiently provide materials, track progress, provide a networking forum, and follow up activities of our students. Okay, so there at the bottom, it says making payments, and it tells you how you can make payments. Then it says, there's a link, it says, click here to register for the remaining 2018 training classes. I'm going to click on there to see what training classes are offered for 2018. Okay, I guess okay, let's see. Hopefully y'all can see. My laptop seems like it's... Can y'all see that? I don't know. But anyways, they have a list of states, cities and states. They don't have any classes that is close to me at all. So I guess I'll have to travel to go to one. I'm very interested, so I am willing to travel. The website that is telling you to go to www.trainingsisterlocks.com. So let's find out what's on this site. This is my first time going on here. Sisterlock's Online Academy. Okay, so you can take online courses. I didn't know this. Welcome consultants, training, and guests. You may create a login profile from this page. Okay, so I got in on the Sisterlock Online Academy training sisterlocks.com website. It has 2 links, consultant training and graduate resources. So I'm going to consultant training 2018 courses, and it lists the state and dates of the training, and then it lists the teacher, the master trainer, and it says teacher or CTA. I don't know what CTA means. So I really don't get it. It's not a lot of information on here at all. It's just 2 tabs. One says Sisterlock Online Academy, and the other one says courses. Under courses, it says consultant training and graduate resources. Under the Sisterlock Academy, it says tags, calendars, and academy news. So I don't understand. Last time this was updated was 2015, because it says last post February 2015. So I don't know what the heck this is. I'm so lost. I guess if I want to be a consultant, I'm going to have to go outside of my state, probably like a little bit way further. I'm going to have to travel to take this course. And I'm going to need to talk to somebody face to face, because this website is not giving me any type of anything right now. So yeah, so that is going over the website. I hope y'all learned something with me. I learned how much it costs. I learned how many days it take. I also learned that what steps that a trainee has to take to become a Sisterlock Consultant. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you learned something too. Make sure you drop down below in the comments if you have any more facts or information or tips on how to become a Sisterlock Consultant. I'm very, very interested, and I would love to have your input, and I'll talk to you soon. Make sure you like this video so I can know that you like what I'm doing. All right, y'all.